Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Craig. I'm the senior passenger attendant this afternoon, and together with Suzanne at the buffet, I've got Dean as our driver. I'd like to welcome you all aboard the Australind service to Bunbury to Perth. Your safety and well-being is our concern. We are pleasure to make your travels as pleasant and as comfortable as possible. There are several exit points on this train, so please take a few moments to locate your nearest exit, and in some cases, nearest exit may be behind you, just in case we need to evacuate the train. All this information is on the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you, so we strongly recommend you take a moment to review the card. Also, for your convenience, we do have a buffet on board which offers a selection of food and drink items, including limited choice alcoholic beverages. The buffet is located in the forward car of the train, and as we're a licensed premises, consumption of personal alcohol is totally prohibited. The buffet will open in approximately 5 to 10 minutes, and we also do have our POS facilities available. Also, it's a non-smoking service that includes e-cigarettes and vapes, and the toilets have been fitted with smoke detectors, so tampering with the sailing these is a violation of the law. We are scheduled to arrive in the Perth City at approximately 5:12, and we will stop at intermediate stations to sit down and pick up passengers that have booked our service. If there's any questions on our journey this afternoon, please don't hesitate to ask one of our on-train staff. We wish you an enjoyable journey. Thanks for choosing Transwa. Good afternoon. Gentlemen, the train will arrive at the Perth City station shortly, so passengers are requested. Please stay seated for safety purposes. Please check around your seats to ensure you don't leave any personal items on the train. Also, care should be taken when accessing luggage from the overhead racks. On arrival into the city station, there is a gap that exists between the train and the platform, so caution when leaving the train is advised, especially if you do have small children. Also, I'd like to remind all passengers that bookings are essential on all Transwa services. The Transwa booking office is located at the main entrance of the